Hello there guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some footage on how the Cameroonian community of Guangzhou celebrated the 51st edition of National Day in China. First of all, you all ought to know that the 20th May is a national day in Cameroon. It's the day when Cameroon became one, no more East, West, North, or Southern Cameroon. We came into become a nation, and every year we do celebrate unity on this day.
Là, tu vas manger les herbes. Atom, show your face.
The theme of this 51st edition is Defense Forces and Cameroonian people in harmony to safeguard peace and national unity, bedrock of a strong and prosperous Cameroon. We had the honor to have as guest from Beijing His Excellency Mr. Tonga, Plenipotentiary Minister and Counselor at the Cameroon Embassy here in China. He came all the way from Beijing to celebrate with us. As in our customs, we opened the ceremony with a prayer.
Seigneur, nous te prions de le bénir, bénis ce pays-là. Grâce à toi, on a toujours vécu dans la paix et la joie. Nous te prions de jeter ton regard dans le nord et le sud-est du Cameroun, nord-ouest et sud-est du Cameroun, afin que la paix puisse régner dans cette région. Ce soir, nous voulons prier pour ceux qui ont accepté de prendre part à cette circonstance et te prier de bénir toutes les familles.
After the prayer, we did ask some guests to tell us why they were joining us on this special day. And most of them answered correctly, and we're glad to be there with us.
Merci à vous, les Camerounais, surtout à président M. Daniel, pour l'invitation qui est venu avoir accepté moi et mon ami Sako Madi de l'île Maurice. C'est une fierté d'être parmi vous, de célébrer l'unité nationale. Et comme on partage un petit peu les mêmes spécificités, Maurice et Cameroun, on parle l'anglais, le français, on a comment on dit, alliance similaire, quoi. Mais ça fait toujours plaisir d'être parmi vous. Et l'accueil est excellent.
We had many guests from different parts of the world. After that, we had the singing of the national anthem. the national anthem, I quickly want to show you some of the different outfits. Then we had a dance performance by some Kenyan girls who came to celebrate the 20th May with us. After the dance came my best part of the evening, time to eat. We had a buffet full of Cameroonian dishes.
It's time to eat.
Yes, it's time we're gonna fill our.
We had egusi, gari, ndole, or bitter leaves, fried chicken, poulet DG, potato fries, plantains, bobolo, beef stew, fried fish, arrow, fried rice, some fruits and salad. People enjoyed themselves, much to eat and much to drink. So while seated down eating, my friend Manuela did entertain us with a Chinese song. So some of the Lao bands went on stage to encourage her. It was beautiful to see. Then after Manuela's songs came the Zangalewa group. After the performance from the Zangalewa group, we had a speech or a piece of advice given by Jules Normal. He told us that life was difficult, but we need to keep trying to do our best.
On ne sait jamais. Si un jour l'argent finit, on peut aller au pareil, on chante même, on fait mourir les enfants. Donc voilà, personne ne sait que je chante, mais j'ai un album de 8 titres. 8 titres. Mais aujourd'hui, nous allons chanter un titre qui est l'homme et l'argent. Parce que j'ai chuté
After
3
the
fois.
speech, we had the cutting of the cake, which was done by Mr. Tony. After the cutting and sharing of the cake, I really don't know what happened after because I was in noise. J'étais dans les bruits. I really don't know what happened after except for dancing throughout the night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I will catch you next time. Bye bye. Bye.